Hey there, cosmonauts. Tonight is the Saturday before Halloween, so I thought I would have you get ready with me. And yeah, let's get ready because I feel naked. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear the shirt that I wore on prom because it seems to go well with what I'm wearing. So let me go ahead and put that on. Whew. Now I'm not showing my junk to everybody. So some people may know this, but and some may not, but I have wore these pants for the last 3 Halloween. So yeah, can't really break tradition, so let's go ahead and get these on. Whew. I don't know why I don't get ready like this more often. It's a lot quicker. Now, inside of here is my Halloween costume. And I really got this idea from watching a YouTube video that Clever Style put out. Don't judge me. Anyways, to give you a little hint of what we got going on, this is it. Let's put her on. Yeah, that's right. I'm a Prince Rodney uniform. Whoop, whoop.
Everyone has fantasies, dreams they want to chase. Mine are in a magical forest where the following takes place. Fields of rainbows, lollipop trees, and no one is forlorn. I can fulfill my deepest desires and fuck a unicorn. I'm fucking a unicorn. Fucking a unicorn. It might sound gay, but for a bale of hay, I can feel reborn.
You got ready with me for Halloween? Peace, love, and all that hippie jazz.
Send Carl some money on PayPal so he can buy himself something to eat. Then he won't have to sell his body to Albanian men on the street. We're broke hippies living out in the desert, no money and no shoes. And he may smoke the marijuana